In this video, you will learn how to write math equations in Word. So you can write any type of equations if you understand this video and understand by watching from starting to end. So please watch the video carefully, and if you are watching for the first time, so please subscribe, like and share. So let's go and insert this example equation right in front of you right now. So you need to go to Insert tab, click on Equation under Symbols. If you want to use any predefined equation, you can use that, or you can use more equation from office.com. In case you want to insert new, you need to click on Insert New Equation. So now I am going to insert new equations. So here you will get a dialog box inside which you can write your equation, and also you will get equation menu or tab which was activated, which was not there previously. So now if you want to type this kind of equations, so first you need to understand what are all these. So if you click this arrow, so you will get this is a division, this is a slash. So this is the type of equations. Now it is superscript, subscript and all the stuffs, and this is radical. So now we are going to click on this first options, which is staked fraction. Now let's click this. So now you will get one straight line and two boxes. In the first box I am going to write minus b. So now you can see it is written perfectly. Now I am going to give one space. Now you can also use different symbols from the symbol dialog box in the equation. If you click right arrow, you will get lot of symbols. In this case I am going to this symbol. So now let's give one more space, and here I have radical options, so I am going to select this one, and here I am going to type b. So before typing b, you can see here it is superscript, so I am not going to type b. I am going to select e script and this superscript, and here I am going to type b, and here I am going to type 2. In the next you have minus symbol. So if I give one space, minus will be written here, but I don't want that. In that case what you have to do, you need to give one space, again one more space. That also it will not work. So now what you have to do, you need to type enter, and now it will get O's. So now what you have to do, you need to type the right arrow from the arrow button, so that it will go right and you will have your next line. Now you can give space and select minus, again one more space and type 4 AC. Similarly in the down I can type easily 2 and A. So this is a simple example how you can type one equation in the Word. Now also you have different options, so please stay tuned. I am going to let you know lot of stuffs in the equations. You can also handwrite your equations rather than typing and spending lot of time, and you are going to learn in couple of minutes. So here you have different options, such as you can make it left, right, center, or change to line. And here you have two options called professional, linear. In case professional, it is the way you are looking. If you click on linear, it will be the straight line. If you again click professional, it will be the normal options. Now if you want to save as a new equation, so the next time when you click, you don't have to type and spend lot of time, and you can use this predefined equations for the future reference. Then you can click on save as, and you can type what are the type of equation you want. So this is equation 1. You can type anything, you can give your description, and I'm clicking OK. So now if you want to delete one equation, you need to go to here and click on delete. Why I'm clicking here? If you click here, it will be selected the entire equation at a single time, so that I can delete. So now I'm going to insert whatever I have already written. Now go to insert equations. If you scroll down, whatever the equation 1 I have mentioned, you can easily insert. Now I'm going to delete it again, and I am going to do something which is handwriting equations. So how I can write my equations in the easy way? In that case, you have to go to Insert, Equations and Ink Equation. Once you click Ink Equations, let's maximize this. You can drag left, drag down, drag off, or the way you want. You can put in the corner also. Now I'm going to write the equation here. For example, I'm going to write A divided by B. Wow, it's easy, and I can superscript and I can write 2. So here what will happen, anything is not coming, you can delete. Make sure when you write something, you write completely. For example, I'm going to write again, let's say B to the square. So now it is written. After writing the equations, you can click on Insert. So now the equation will be inserted. In case you want to change the size of the equations, you can go to your size and make it small or big the way you want. So this is all about the equations. If you have any questions, suggestions, please let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe our channel for more useful videos. Thanks for watching.